Hi fam! You know that V and I are able to have the lifestyle that we do where we travel the world. We just got back from our 33rd and 34th countries together. We're able to do this in part because we live in a tiny home. This is part of us saving money and being able to make it financially possible to be on the road as much as we are. So today I want to show you a little hack that we have in our tiny home. We just have one big space. It's 336 square feet. It is one main living area. I have my couch behind you. I have my kitchen over here. And then the bathroom is the only separate room area. And so what do we do with sleeping? We have to make sure that we're able to use this space during the day in a way that is comfortable, that feels spacious, where we can move, where I can do yoga, where we can dance and cook, and all of the great things that you want to do with your living room without having a bed in the middle of it. So we opted for a Murphy bed. You can see our Murphy bed behind me. Ours has this really cool feature of this little shelf where we have memorabilia from our travels. It has these handles for pulling it down, and it's nice and white, and it just looks like a gorgeous cabinet up against our wall. So I'm going to show you how I pull it down, and then I'm going to show you this really cool hack. Here's the thing. When you're in a tiny house and you're using a Murphy bed, what do you use for a side table? Where do you put your glass of water? Where do you plug in your phone? Where do you put your book? How do you read your book? Where's your side lamp? I'm going to show you what I figured out to make this Murphy bed all of the function. Obviously the fashion too, but all of the function. Let's check it out. Voila! Murphy bed! Yay, and we have this beautiful green comforter that I absolutely love. I'm very into olive these days. In my world, it's a neutral. So I love this gorgeous, comfortable comforter. It makes us feel like we're living in luxury. And we are. Tiny living can be luxurious, and I'm going to show you how. First, I'm going to show you in the wide lens so you can see the whole thing. What I use for my side table and bedside lamp and outlet situation solution for our Murphy bed. And then we'll get a closer look. So if you see over here to my right, table. This is my little table. And it fits a phone, it fits a book, it fits a glass of water. It's very strong, very sturdy. And then here, I have my lamp. So this pulls out, it has multiple settings that we'll get into, and it has a USB, so I can plug in my phone. Plug in the phone, put it right here, with my book, here, with my book, put the book down, put the phone on top, solution. Put the light on, put the light off, ready to put the bed back, put it up against the wall again. Love this. Now let's take a closer look. Okay, I want to show you this little side table closer. So it just folds down. It sits at an almost 90-degree angle. It's a little bit higher to allow for some fluctuation when you put some weight on it, so that it does sit flat when there's weight on it. It's very sturdy. It attached super easy. It came with a nice adhesive, kind of like a command strip. And we do have it resting on this ledge, but I don't think that's really doing anything for it as far as support-wise goes. And like I'll stack a book, a journal, and then my phone, or I'll have a full glass of water here. It is very sturdy. And so I have one on that side of the bed, and then V has his own on that side of the bed. And that is the amazing side table that we have in our tiny home. It's a great space saver, a great solution for small spaces where you need to be able to maybe once in a while have something resting, but you also want that space to be able to put it away. This is our fabulous reading lamp that we have attached to the wall behind our Murphy bed. We're able to make that possible because of the bendy neck. So we can put it up flat against the wall when we put the Murphy bed away. Some really fun features are that it has different settings. It has your brighter light here, but then it also has a warmer setting. Yeah. Focus. It has the cool light setting there. And then it also has a night light, so you can turn off the main light and have just a night light setting. That's nice if you're getting up in the middle of the night. You just want to have a warm ambiance glow. And then there is a timer, so you can set it to work for, let's turn it on, you can set it to go for 5 minutes or 30 minutes. So let's say you're someone that reads before bed and you are constantly falling asleep while reading. That's a great setting option to have. And then the last super important feature for us is that it has a USB plug. So we can plug in our phone at night, put it on the charger. We have our fold down table that we have for our Murphy bed nightstand, and we plug it in and we wake up and our phone is fully charged. So that is super exciting. And we do have 2 of these. You can see the other one on the other side of the Murphy bed here. So great for small spaces. It's super diverse in its use. It's just a really great piece of technology, great little lamp, and it looks super sleek. We love like the mod all white look, the roundness to the design. It's just really pretty.
Quick disclaimer. While this tiny living Murphy bed hack will improve your life tremendously, it will not keep you from being sick. It's amazing that I even got through filming that video as well as I did, because I have been so ill the last few days and during that filming. It's the only thing that I can do is content creation right now. So I'm trying to go all in between naps and tea breaks. But I forgot to film an ending to that. I just kind of left it there. So I wanted to end the video on this note. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. We do tons of content, my husband and I, on our tiny house living, the whole process of how we built it. We are still working on getting all of those updated videos out to you. Also our world travels and our experience as hosting guests here in St. Pete, Florida, where we are based. And we just love to inspire you to create a life of your own that gets you excited to wake up in the morning, even when you're feeling super crummy like I am right now. But yeah, we love you. See you in the next video.